Hi everyone. What you are about to experience goes far beyond a simple custom motorcycle presentation. This is a story of vision, of history, and of craftsmanship meeting passion. Welcome to the 2025 Harley-Davidson FATBOY Custom by Thunderbike, a one-of-a-kind creation known as the Shimmy 4. From the very first glance, you'll understand that this is not just another FATBOY. It's a rolling tribute, a machine that blends the raw power of Harley-Davidson with the legendary spirit of the U.S. Air Force. Imagine the presence of a warbird from the skies of World War II transformed into steel, chrome, and roaring horsepower on the ground. That is the essence of the Shimmy 4. Every inch of this bike carries a message. The matte silver paintwork instantly recalls the skin of vintage fighter planes, while the authentic Air Force emblems and the bold nose art on the tank, proudly bearing the name Shimmy 4, turn it into a living piece of history. The narrow front fender with cutouts makes the front wheel appear heavier and gives the bike a powerful look. The customer requested that the original FATBOY wheels be retained, but they have been given a high gloss finish and now shine in glossy black, providing a strong contrast to the paintwork and matching the handlebars and frame perfectly. The rear fender, with its striking black and yellow checkerboard pattern, echoes the markings of aircraft from another era, while the red headlight fairing adds a dramatic accent, reminiscent of the iconic bomber noses that once ruled the skies. And what makes this story even more unique is the fact that the owner himself personally created the elaborate paintwork, bringing his own vision of heritage and power to life. Combined with Thunderbike's masterful custom work, the result is a motorcycle that doesn't just move forward, it tells a story every time the engine roars. So sit back, open your eyes, and let yourself be drawn into this journey where Harley-Davidson meets the U.S. Air Force. The design concept is evident throughout the entire bike. The primary and timer covers bear the U.S. Air Force emblem with pride. The built-in Hollywood handlebar with struts feature the recurring hole design, which is also seen in the dash and mirrors. The grips were individually selected to fit perfectly into the picture, our base design with end caps in open mind style, including the iconic star. The forward control kit, which has a drilled design and a satin finish, comes with matching open mind covers and ensures a relaxed riding position. To keep the right-hand side of the bike clean, we moved the brake disc to the left, which was made possible by our Pulley brake system. The license plate holder has also been seamlessly integrated. At the rear, a 260 tire sits on our handmade rear fender steel, creating a striking silhouette undisturbed by the externally mounted mini indicators. The overall look is enhanced by the drilled Airbox cover, which blends perfectly with the raw, satin finish style of the grips and foot pegs. To add the finishing touches and achieve particularly compact lines, we lowered the bike at the front and rear to create a full, flat silhouette. The custom-made seat from Spirit Leather is another real highlight. With its two elegant shades of brown, beautiful stitching and Air Force emblem, it combines perfect comfort with a design that matches the rest of the bike. The Shimmy 4 is so much more than just a custom bike. It is a tribute to history, craftsmanship, and our customers' unique vision. If you dream of your own conversion, talk to us. We can help turn your vision into reality.
Heart size of the Amazon.
Thanks for watching.